my name is Steven, and today we're going to get 20 bales of hay for our chickens because winter is coming, and we're going to put it in the chicken pasture. We're also getting 20 more bales of hay for our neighbor and his goats. Hey everyone, we just loaded all the straw into the back of the animal trailer and we're headed home. We're on our way back to the ranch right now. Hey everyone, we just unloaded 12 bales of hay inside the Quonset hut right here. We're gonna put 8 more up in one of our big trailers. Come on back. Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. Start turning. All right everyone, we're gonna put the rest of the 8 bales of hay that we have inside the big storage truck that we have right here.
I'll get this and you get that.
All right. Western carnivorous seed bugs.
Western. Guy's got a set of tires.
These are definitely taller too. Last one. That's funny.
Just howling. Whistling. I think he's whistling through that other bumper. And that bumper's like our harmonica.
Yep, that's it.
Jolene says, your strap always kick it inside.
Got it.
He said it keeps it out of the weather and it'll last 10 times as long.
Got it.
And that makes perfect sense. You like it, don't like it, I don't care. I like it a little bit just so the wind don't blow so hard.
Yeah.
Undo here. That's good enough. You got that started in there.
All right, everyone. That was the 8 bales of hay that we put in the storage truck. So I think we're good for right now till winter comes. All right, I'll see you guys later.
We got a little bit stuck there because it's a little wet, but I think we're gonna call it quits. And to be honest, this is plenty of organic compost for now. I mean, we have so much of silage and manure and straw that we could do anything with. So that is our compost pile right here to the side. It's really healthy. It's got the proper layers. I mean, everything's organic, really important. So there we go. That is a super strong, meaty base. Meat and potatoes right there for our compost pile. That's one way to break in some shoes.
Well, I've never done this before.
Yeah, totally.
This is very unique.
Get that and chunk it way up the hill there. Good to the very last drop. Yes, sir. That's kind of the whole idea. We want this compost to, feed our chickens. They'll, get all the grub, larvae, and bugs out of it, and it's all organic. They'll just be out here pecking, insects and bugs like they're supposed to out in the wild. So, it's about as healthy as a chicken can get. Good morning, I'm Chase. Welcome back to Wilson Brothers Ranch. We're down here in the winter pasture at the Quonset hut at 8 o'clock in the morning because it's nice and cool. We don't have a whole lot of time, but it's gonna get real hot in just a second, but I'll show y'all in here. So we have these straw bales lining the perimeter outside walls just for insulation, and we have this grass straw in the middle stacked up for the flooring. We're gonna use that as bedding and insulation. So if we have a little bit extra, we'll do the sides, but for now we're just going to do the floor. It's a nice good insulation for the ground. Anyone that hasn't worked with straw, there's going to be tons of chaff and a ton of particulates in the air, so we're going to use these COVID masks to keep our lungs pretty clear. Do it often, but every couple months this does get tamped down and kind of wet, moldy. We just have to add a little bit more and keep it insulated. Some pretty crazy vine growth back here from all the poop over the months we had them in here. For those of you not following on the channel, we have this back portion sectioned off in the Quonset hut, and we have all these roosting bars and this A-frame here, and we have this sectioned off for the pigs, and we're going to use this for geese now. So we have all this rope and twine here. We're going to hang some more roosting sticks. They're actually little logs all the way down ladder style. So we'll have couple logs going all the way down, maybe multiple tiers, I don't know yet, and we'll have our egg nesting boxes along this side, keep them all nice and dry, clean. We're going to take these off, and we're not going to hang anything on this side. I'm going to put my COVID mask on and get started on the goose side. Never really liked wearing these, and I thought it was over, but here I go. All right. We got the grass straw all spread out, and it's going to be really insulating, and I think the chickens are going to love it during wintertime. Grass straw wasn't that bad for chaff, so we just took off our COVID masks. They weren't very useful, and wasn't nearly as bad as the regular straw. We're not done yet. We still have to get our egg nesting boxes in here, our hen gear nesting boxes, and get a lot of more logs up there for our chickens to roost on. Now we'll close this thing up. come back to it later.
Sun's barely up, coffee's gone cold, boots in the mud and the day's not old. DEWALT's humming, boards lying straight. If it breaks, we fix it, or we duct tape.